Yep, you're right. USB-C to a lightning jack. Sorry. And 25th of December, I had presented a video on the Osmo Pocket, and the person who presented this video is right here with us. And I hold that person totally responsible the way that he had rushed this whole episode, and he had presented you guys that the external microphone on the DJI Osmo Pocket is actually working. So I want him to come up and have a word with us. Well, I rushed it just because I found there was a difference in the sound and I thought that it was working. So, that's the reason I rushed it, and when I was looking through my videos. So my whole question is that why did you have to tell all my viewers that this thing is working? Yeah, so see, this is the situation. I actually bought the stuff. No, my only question is what is the reason behind it? And you owe an explanation to all the viewers out there that why did you think that this is going to work? The thing is that when I bought this stuff, which is a USB-C to headphone jack, this USB-C to headphone jack was actually working with my iPad, and it was working as an external audio input with my iPad, and I do voiceovers on that, so the voiceovers and everything was working. And that is the reason, I was pretty much sure that this is going to work. So what I did was I plugged a microphone in and I plugged this thing on. I literally do not believe this, that he can actually think that this the USB-C will work on an Osmo Pocket. Well, it's not. But yes, you are right, I forgot to tap. Okay, that's my fault. I agree to that. I was a bit confused afterwards when I uploaded the video. Yes, I was wrong. Yes, I accept to what you're saying that I'm totally wrong about it. And do I need to apologize? Right. Well, I think it's a confusion and everybody made some mistake. Yes, I would apologize to other viewers who said that I was doing an error. Now hold on 1 second. But these guys were the guys who bought this stuff up in the channel, because I'm pretty sure somebody got really excited and had to post this, right? So you had to post this because you got excited and you thought that there is a difference, while you couldn't just tap the microphone and check it out, right? You thought that you made this whole revelation, right? Well, at first I just want to give quick shout out to these guys. So Secondhand Adventure, if you're watching this video, shout out to you, because you, rather than criticizing, said that I might have confused it. He might have confused it. So shout out to you. And you said that I should redo this just by tapping gently on the microphone. So we are going to conduct the test. His name is MARKR041. MARKR041 has a YouTube channel. Do check out his channel. Sometimes what happens is that when you do the videos on a daily basis and you do presentation, errors happen. And that's the reason I bought him in the channel, so that he can say this also to you. This channel, the USB-C to headphone jack adapter is not working. It was a total fatal error or the mistake in the whole channel, where we had actually posted in the channel that this is actually working, but the whole trick is not working again. Once you flip the camera, this is the microphone. Okay, so we are going to tap on the microphone. So do you guys hear anything? Okay, now I take my hand and tap on this one. Again, I'm taking a microphone and I'm going to tap on the microphone. Yes, so finally we found that this external lav microphone will not work with the Osmo Pocket. In this channel Opinions Matter, I did present a video which was a mistake, saying that this lav microphone will work, but it's not going to work. Should I apologize? Yes, I will apologize to all those viewers out there, saying that I'm really sorry about what I said in the beginning when the Osmo Pocket, I said that this thing is working, but as a matter of fact, any external microphone is not going to work until and unless you buy the DJI's 3.5mm adapter. The reason I got confused with this whole thing is I went through the app, and when I connected the app, I went to the Pro mode, and as you can see right now, the noise correction was on. And I have never seen such a good audio quality from any device, which made me think that this is working. But whole setup is not working. we have to wait for the DJI's USB-C to 3.5mm adapter. And yep, yeah, we are sorry for this. And what can I say? Just wanted to say thank you for all those guys, all those comments out there who showed me that this was a mistake. And I'll just transfer this to Opinions Matter. So thank you for sharing your opinion, and it's a good thing that you finally left your ego aside and you had apologized in this channel. From Opinions Matter, we would like to apologize for the whole, you know, like confusion that's going on. Yes, it's not working. Honest opinions is our motto, and we did present an opinion which was, I would not say dishonest, it was a more of a confusion. And quick shout out to Secondhand Adventure MARKR041. I have a new trick coming up in the channel today, and it's going to be called as a fake jib shot with your Osmo Pocket and a fake drone shot with your Osmo Pocket. So stay tuned, and we're going to jump into the video very soon. Sorry again for everything, all the mishap, all the confusion. External microphone jack is not working. External microphone jack is not going to work with DJI OSMO Pocket until and unless you buy the whole adapter from DJI.